What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you end up seeing your video audio being muted on TikTok. So let's go right to it. So I'm going through some of my videos to see if I have anyone muted, and I can see this one right here is muted, so which means the song has been removed from TikTok. So I'm going to click on the video. Once you click on the video, we just wait for it to open up, and you can now see it says replace sound. So if you notice that the song on your video has been removed, you can go ahead and replace that song. So let me show you how you can do it. Now go ahead and click on replace sound. We click on replace sound, then wait for it to process. So now we have the option in choosing any other songs that we want. Let me see, can I use this? Okay, so I'm going to use this. Okay, the volume is okay. So I'm going to save the sound change. So after clicking on save sound, just refresh your TikTok page and you notice that the mute will go away. Just give it like 5 minutes. So right now you can see after I refresh the video, the page, the TikTok page, the mute is gone, and if I click on it, I'm now going to get the new song that I've assigned to this video. Seriously. Now, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do check out this other video right here. You can go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.